Hello and welcome to our series of screencasts showcasing Platformatica's capabilities in a simple, short, and meaningful way. From basic forms to advanced corporate software, everything can be created via Platformatica's low-code, no-code platform in hours instead of months. In this screencast, we will showcase a very common and powerful capability, the workflow. A workflow can be used in many different scenarios, from regular requests to complex lines of approvals and automation. Platformatica is handling all the workflow-related use cases, starting by simple one-level request approval flows up to complex multi-level automation with extended background data movement. At the beginning, we will access the software via a secure online form, and using our unique credentials, we will authenticate. Through this screencast, you will familiarize with Platformatica's workflow handling capabilities via several simple and common use cases. Within the spirit of keeping our demos simple and clear for everyone, we will showcase workflows composed of a request and a decision. For this demo, we have 4 samples: a day off request, a ticket to the support department, a project intake, and a contract approval. We will start with the simplest use case, a day off request. For that, we will navigate to the request form and fill the relevant fields, while some fields are already automatically pre-filled based on our profile. Once the request is submitted, we will use the management account to receive the request and take the decision. As you may see, the notifications are informing the users on both sides regarding the actions and the progress. By now you got the point that there are 2 sides, a requester on one side and an approver on another side, 2 different system accounts with different rights and capabilities. For the next few samples, we will create all the requests one by one, and once done, we will use the management account to take the decision. This way you will see several variations on the requester side and a centralized approach on the approver side, which is quite handy. Please keep in mind that all the fields and actions were built specifically for this demo, while Platformatica is supporting any kind of workflow with all required variations. We successfully created the requests for project intake, support contact, and contract approval. Now, using the management account, we will take the relevant decisions. The decisions were made by the management. Let's see the user experience on the requesting side. The requester is informed regarding the decisions via the notifications on each request screen and on the consolidated requests view. The more complex use cases may require a large number of steps for data movement, with various actions and decisions going in parallel or sequential ways. As we want to keep the demos quick and simple, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this screencast. More advanced capabilities will be covered in our next videos.